In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add templates to Trello boards step by step. Using templates in Trello is one of the fastest ways to save time, stay organized, and avoid rebuilding the same board structure over and over again. Whether you're managing projects, content calendars, client work, or team workflows, templates make everything easier. So make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all your boards. Now, click on Boards at the top if you're not already there. This will show you all the boards connected to your account. Next, click on your Workspace. Workspaces help you organize boards by team, company, or project type. Make sure you select the correct workspace where you want your new templated board to live. Once inside the workspace, click on Boards again to see all existing boards within that workspace. Now, here's where we create the new board using a template. Click on Create New Board. A setup window will pop up. Start by typing in your board title. Choose a name that clearly describes the purpose of your board, like Marketing Plan 2026, Content Calendar, or Client Project Tracker. After that, select the correct workspace from the drop-down menu if it's not already selected. Next, choose your visibility settings. You can set the board to Workspace Visible, Private, or Public, depending on who should have access. If you're working with a team, Workspace Visible is usually the best option. If it's personal planning, Private may be better. Now, this is the key step. Instead of clicking Create immediately, click on Start with a Template. This allows you to build your board based on a pre-designed structure instead of starting from scratch. Trello will now show you a gallery of available templates. These can include project management templates, editorial calendars, product roadmaps, HR workflows, and many more. Scroll through the options and click on any template that matches your needs. When you select a template, you'll see additional options. One important option is whether to keep cards. If you check Keep Cards, your new board will copy not just the lists, but also all the example cards inside the template. This is helpful if you want a fully structured starting point with sample tasks. If you uncheck Keep Cards, Trello will only copy the list structure without the individual example tasks. This is useful if you want a clean framework but prefer adding your own tasks manually. Choose the option that fits your workflow. Once everything looks good, click on Create. Trello will now generate your new board using the selected template. Within seconds, you'll see your fully structured board ready to use. You can now customize it further by editing lists, renaming cards, adding due dates, assigning team members, attaching files, or integrating power-ups. Using templates is extremely powerful because it standardizes your workflow. If you regularly run similar projects, you can even create your own custom board and save it as a template for future use. That way, you never have to rebuild processes again. And that's it. That's how you add templates to Trello boards quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity hacks, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.